Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create custom Shopify shipping labels. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To create your own custom Shopify shipping labels, you need to head over to your settings. Then you can see we have shipping and delivery. Here we have all of the shipping related settings. So you can see if we scroll down, we have various different type of settings showing up. So what we can do is you can either set up your local deliveries, your pickup in store. So you can click on new profile to add new profiles, and in here you can see we have different type of shipping zones and products. So using these settings you can incorporate custom shipping labels as well. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.